Hey there, today we're going to look at how to implement 3D graphics in Python. So let's get started. First, install Panda 3D and press Enter to complete the installation. Over here, set up a basic 3D scene by creating a render window. Then, add a simple object like a cube or sphere to the scene. Over here, use the ShowBase class as the foundation of your application. After that, load a cube model, position it in 3D space, and rotate it over time using a task manager. Then understand 3D coordinates. X-axis moves left and right, Y-axis moves forward and backward, and Z-axis moves up and down. Over here, add lights to the scene to make your objects look realistic. Then, use a directional light from above the cube to illuminate it as it rotates. Over here, load and texture 3D models using the loader object. After that, apply textures to make your models look more realistic. Then, move the camera to get different views of your 3D scene. Over here, position the camera where you want to view the scene. After that, add interactivity by responding to keyboard or mouse input. Then, you can move objects or trigger actions when keys are pressed or mouse clicks occur. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.